telling you about the second stanza. Sorry, second stanza has been completed already. Now, third stanza. Okay. It would be an exotic movement. It would be an exotic movement. Which type of movement? It is exotic movement. Exotic means specific. Okay. So now the poet is telling about the situation. Here is the poet telling about the situation. Which type of situation? He is telling here specific moment. To keep quiet. What is the name of poem? Keep quiet. Okay. Quiet, it means silent. Okay. When we are keeping silent and we are not saying anything to others, then it will be the specific moment. You may see when all the people make silence and nothing will be happened there, then it will be specific moment, exotic, extraordinary. We can say extraordinary. Two things can be seen, can be said here, extraordinary or specific. It would be an extraordinary moment. Okay. When everybody will keep silence and nothing is not be used, can be seen, nothing can be seen anywhere, then it will become exotic moment, specific moment, or we can say extraordinary moment. Okay. Without rush. Okay. Without rush, without engines. Okay. Here the poet wants to express about the rush. Rush, it means crowd. We may say here crowd. Or so many people include in a specific place and without engines. If the peoples are here and if they are without engines, it means if the train is here, when the train comes, there is necessity, compartments are joined with the engine, okay, then the train moves. But in the same manner, what is the need of here? A person who lead others. Okay, तो वो कह रहा है without rush, without engines, we may keep silent. Keep silence. Okay. देखिए हम जब क्या होते हैं, एक इंजन जो होता है, here is the poet wants to give example of engine. Engine makes a roar, makes a noise. Okay, then it moves, then train moves. But for some moment, we will stop. Okay, we will stop for a second. 1 मिनट के लिए हम रुक जाएंगे और this will be a specific moment. What will be it? This will be a specific moment. Okay, without rush, without any crowd, without engines. It means without any movement. Engine, what do? Engine moves. क्या करता है ये इंजन? Moves करता है. But we should stop. क्या करना होगा हमें? रुक जाना होगा. हमें कुछ क्षण के लिए रुक जाना होगा और विदाउट रश, बिना क्राउड के, विदाउट इंजन्स, बिना इंजन्स के, वी शुडंट गो एनीवेयर. हमें कहीं नहीं जाना है, हमें स्टॉप्ड हो जाना है और हमें पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर रहना है. एंड वी शुड कीप साइलेंस फॉर सम टाइम. और हमें कुछ समय के लिए एकदम साइलेंट रहना है. So here is the description of the exotic movement. This one is a specific time when we always keep silence and keep quiet, and we will stop for a moment. 2 points are here now. What are? Keep silence, and 1 point, keep silence, and another point, what will be? Stop. Stop for a moment. Then output come from it. What will be the output? Exotic movement. Is it clear to you? Give me message. Hello students. Is it clear to you? Message करिए. Okay. So now, after it I am telling you about other line, without rush. That movement should be without rush, without people, without making noise, and without engine. Because of there is a need of silence. What is needed here? Need of silence. Clear? What is needed here? Need of silence. किस चीज की जरूरत है? आप हर एक चीज को नोट डाउन करिएगा. Everything is important for you, and just I am telling you all the things, and after it, if you are needed answers, then you will write yourself. Otherwise, I will ask question to you, then you will tell me. Okay, students? What is necessary? To write down all the things. Whatever I am explaining here is very necessary. And if you will write these all things, then you can give every answer clearly, and there will be no grammatical mistake. What I want always. Okay? तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने आपको कहा कि एक्सोटिक मूवमेंट होगा, ये स्पेसिफिक मूवमेंट होगा, एंड कीप साइलेंस फॉर दैट टाइम पीरियड. वी विल कीप साइलेंट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है we would all be together. We would all be together. Okay? We would all be together and a sudden strangeness. Strangeness. Is it clear? Okay. We would all be together. Although all people will be together, for example, for the symbolic words here, symbolic language I am using here, for a single moment. Okay? So, what is needed? No, it means all together. There is, we would be all together, a single. Singleness. It means when all people be all together, then there will be singleness. What will be here? Singleness. And a sudden strangeness. Also the poet telling here about we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. It means singleness. S-I-N-G-L-E. समझ आ रहा है ना? Singleness, S-I-N-G-L-E, N-E-double-S. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Strangeness. Strangeness not here. It will be strangeness. And that moment will be strange. Everything which is extraordinary can be seen single. Okay? Single thing, it means strange thing. Okay? When we can keep silence or keep quiet, then what will happen? Everywhere will be silence. क्या होगा हर जगह? Silence होगा. Clear, student? Is it clear to you? तो ऐसी स्थिति में क्या होगा? Strangeness होगी. We would all be together for some moment. हम कुछ क्षण के लिए साथ होंगे. And singleness. Then what will happen with us? Singleness. And strangeness can be seen there. Strange, it means extraordinary. Moment is always strange. Clear? And if we should keep silence for some time, and we will not use simple language, then what will happen? It will be extraordinary moment. Okay? So, it will be strange and singleness can be seen there, and whenever we don't use any language, it will be extraordinary moment. Is it clear, students? Give a message. Hello. All the things of this Is clear to you? Okay. So now, if you have any query, then last time I will ask you. Okay? This one is completed now, and after it we will start next. Okay. Fisherman in the cold sea. Would not harm friends. Now I am telling you about the fisherman. Now the poet turned towards the fisherman. Why he is moving towards the fisherman? Here, students, I am asking you why he moves towards the fisherman. Why the poet moved towards the fisherman? फिशरमैन की तरफ क्यों गया वो पोएट? हेलो, आप लोग कोई बात बताना नहीं चाहते हो या आपको आती नहीं है? मैसेज करिए. हेलो. Why does the poet move towards fisherman? अच्छा, वो फिशेस पकड़ता था. I am asking, पोएट के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ. Why does the poet move towards the fisherman? लॉजिकल आंसर दीजिए. कैन यू गिव एनी आंसर? मैसेज टाइप करिए. कोई लॉजिकल आंसर दे सकते हैं आप? Anybody can type the message. Hello. Idiots, बिल्कुल अजीब अजीब से आंसर. Gather salt. He wants to gather salt. Riddhi, if Riddhi is in the class, give me answer. Kritika, Sheetal. What should be according to you? What should be according to you? नहीं, आ ही नहीं रहा, वहां तक पहुंचे। रिद्धि इज नॉट इन द क्लास। हेलो, रिद्धि इज नॉट इन द क्लास। मुस्कान, कैन यू गिव आंसर? अभी तो थी वो। No, not at all. These answers are not true at all. Muskan, can you say something? Hridyanshi Mehra, can you say something? Kritika Kumar, can you give answer of this question? Are you capable to give answer? Nobody is capable to give answer. Now I am writing here. If you are capable, then you should give message. If you aren't, then I will give answer. No, not at all. Because the poet wants to get another example of nature. So he gets the example of sea. Got it? Hello? Have you got it? Is it clear, all of you? Okay. So now here is the poet wants to use another example of nature. That is why he uses here fisherman. He wants to give the example. So he gets the example of sea because of he wants to describe about nature. First of all, he has taken the example of earth, and after it he has taken the example of sea, because the fishermen are there on the sea beach. So that is why the poet use here the example of sea. Next, I want to express this stranger, fisherman in the cold sea. Here, the poet wants to tell you about the quality of sea. What is the quality of sea? Cold. It is cold. Because of cold give us enjoy. Coldness give us enjoyment. Okay? Would not harm whales. Whales का nobody can harm. Fishermen cannot harm to the whales. Whales को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं पहुंचा सकते हैं फिशरमैन. ओके? बिकॉज ऑफ whales, आपको पता है whales कैसी होती है? बिगेस्ट. So that is why no man can harm to whales. Okay? So now the poet use here the example of whales, and whales are the biggest sea animal. That is why biggest sea animal. Nobody can harm them. उनको कोई भी हार्म नहीं कर सकता. Clear to you? And the man gathering salt, and the person who is gathering salt, salt को जो gather करते हैं The person who are gathering salt, their hands, वो कह रहे हैं would look his hard hands. अब उनके जो hands होते हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं? hard. Okay? उनके hands जो हैं वो hard हो जाते हैं and they are looking towards them. वो उनकी तरफ देख रहे हैं. Okay? Because of they are sorry for it. Because of they are sorry, full of sorrow. Okay? And they cannot harm else. Here is the symbolic meaning also. I will explain here after it. First of all, you listen only the simple meaning, and after it I will tell you about the symbolic meaning. Okay? So now in this stanza the poet wants to say that fisherman in the cold sea, it is the quality of sea that fishermen are getting enjoyment there and would not harm whales. They becomes not harmful for whales. Okay? And the man gathering salt would look his hard hands. Now the poet is telling about it that man are gathering, the man gathering salt, the person who are gathering salt, their hands become hard. It means उनके जो हाथ होते हैं वो hard हो जाते हैं and would look his hard hands, or they are looking towards their hard hands. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Hello? Is it clear to all? Give message. Okay. ठीक है. Now, all the things has been explained here, and I think the time is nearby, so I want to put up it. If you have any query, then you may ask. आपको कोई क्वेरी है इस स्टेंजा में, then you may ask. मैं इसके बाद आपको symbolic meaning बताऊंगी कल. Tomorrow I will explain about the symbolic meaning. Okay? If you have any question, if you have any query, then ask me in return. Nothing? रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे बंद होगी यही बताना. कहाँ से बंद करना है रिकॉर्डिंग?